Today we are introducing a brand new mattress roll packing machine. With many patented technologies, this machine is the latest development from the company's technical team. The machine retains the classic features of existing roll packing. Models such as film packing, compression, rotation, and folding. The mattress can be rotated or unrotated as required. Choose from multiple folding modes: fold once, fold twice, even fold 3 times. If required, an edge adjustment function can be added so that the edge of the packed mattress is more even. In particular, the machine's roll packing station has been completely redesigned, easy operation and convenient maintenance. Innovative roll packing structure suitable for various specifications. Simplified roll packing structure with 45-angle pressing. Innovative active film application technology available. For the use of 0.04 mm pay film. Wide range of sizes with a minimum diameter of 150 mm.